Welcome students, today we will solve this problem where A, B and C do a piece of work in 10, 12 and 15 days respectively. We are asked to find out in how many days the total work will be finished. So at first we assume that the total work will be completed in X days. Now if we focus on the timeline, we can see that they started working together but C left after working for 3 days and B left 4 days before completion of the work. Here is the problem that we do not know for how many days B worked. We just know that B left before completion of the work. So the completion of the work we have taken it X days. So B will be left from the work 4 days before completion. So this timeline represents the total day of work, which is X days. Three person A, B and C. A has done his part of job for the total time period, which is X days. B has been worked for X minus 4 days and C has done the work for 3 days only. The first column represents A plus B plus C. All of the three has been working together, and the last column represents that only A was working. The second column represents where A and B is working together. Now C's 3 days of work. C's capacity is 1 by 15 into 3 equals to 1 by 5 unit. So C has only contributed 1 by 5 unit of work in the total time period. The remaining work is 1 minus 1 by 5 unit, which is 4 by 5 unit. Correct. Now the last column represents that A was working till last 4 days. So we are now calculating the last column. A's last 4 days of work is A's capacity into 4, which is 4 into 1 by 10 equals to 2 by 5 unit. Remaining portion of the work is 4 by 5 minus 2 by 5, which is 2 by 5 unit. So we have calculated C's portion and A's last 4 days. Now this 2 by 5 unit will be done by A and B together, correct? Which is represented in the second column. So A plus B together did 2 by 5 unit of work. So the sum of their efficiency is 1 by 10 plus B's efficiency is 1 by 12, which is in total 11 by 60 unit per day. Efficiency means per time. So 1 days of work is 11 by 60 unit by A and B together, which is represented in the second column. Now 11 by 60 unit of work is done by A and B together in 1 day. So actually they have done 2 by 5 unit of work. So it will be done in how many days? In 60 by 11 into 2 by 5 day, 24 by 11 days. So A and B together has done the work for 24 by 11 days, but we must remember that the last 4 days also A have worked. So the total time of the work is 24 by 11 plus 4 equals to 68 by 11. In mixed fraction it is 6 whole 2 by 11 days. So the total work will be done in 6 whole 2 by 11 days. And here the last 4 days of work done by A.